In one word, well, that's really difficult. I think it's innovative.
Empowering.
Accessible.
Inclusivity.
Amazing.
Adventure.
Inspirational.
Laudable.
Lovable.
Amazing.
Revolutionary.
Exciting.
Exciting.
Connectivity.
Future.
Inspiring.
Open.
Ambitious.
Catalyst.
Transformational.
Game-changing.
Magic dust.
Inspiring.
Future.
Educational.
Disruptive.
I feel so proud of the BBC for doing this because it's really ambitious and it could make a difference to thousands of young people. And the part that Team Tech's going to play is putting the whole project into context, so helping them see where an interest in tech could take them.
Well, Microsoft is mad about technology and coding, so it's just completely brilliant to be able to bring for the next generation a set of code editors that they can use on their phones, on their tablets, on their PCs, in the bus, at home, at school, anywhere. And it's fantastic to see that this is a project that could get the whole nation coding.
For me, it's something very special, having been there at the beginning with the BBC Micro, to be able to help Britain become more digitally confident, especially for this age group, is a huge, huge thing for us.
The microbit is going to expose and demystify technology for an entire cohort of young people in order to inspire a whole new generation to innovate in ways we can't even imagine yet.
The microbit represents a great opportunity for a whole generation of British young people to unleash their creativity through technology. And Samsung's role in this is by connecting the microbit to the whole range and world of devices that young people are using.
I see the microbit as being second generation BBC computer, which transformed coding and use of computers in schools. Our key role will be that final task of getting all those microbits to all the schools in the country.
The microbit is a fusion of design, engineering and learning to change how a 12-year-old views the world. And we generally brought the design factor in the whole process.
Well, the microbit will sow the seeds of tech innovation at an earlier age than ever before. And Nordic Semiconductor's chip is at the heart of the microbit.
At Freescale, we're passionate about encouraging young people in the field of science, technology, engineering and math. And it's been just a fantastic experience for us to contribute to the BBC Microbit project.
I grew up in a world with the BBC Model B, the Sinclair Spectrum, the Commodore 64. This represented modern computing at its best at the time. The microbit represents modern computer science in the 21st century.
Cisco is delighted to be able to participate in a program that truly inspires children to actively take part in the technology development process. I think it is initiatives like this that will help us grow the digital economy in the UK in the future.
I'm certain that in the future, a new generation of British technology entrepreneurs will trace back their careers to the day they were handed a BBC Microbit at school, and I designed the Bluetooth profile for the Microbit.
For Python programmers like me, the BBC Microbit is the first step on an exciting adventure, an adventure where you'll be able to solve problems and find out new things and break stuff and program. Where will that lead you? Well, that just depends on your creativity.
The microbit will help to show children the role that coding can play in their day-to-day lives. And at Co-Club we're making some resources to show children what's possible.
It's opening up very exciting technology to anybody who wants to come and take advantage of it. And Premier Final, we're going to manufacture it. We're very privileged to be able to go and do that.
We're creating resources and help videos and running workshops for young people and their families on how to use the microbit.
For me, the microbit is a game changer, and Code Kingdoms has brought a code editor to the project.
So the microbit means a way of letting people explore technology from multiple perspectives, in engaging in new ways of learning and thinking about computer science.
Engineering and technology are an essential part of everyday life. With this project, we really want to encourage more students to have a go with the microbit and see where a potential career in engineering could take them.
By increasing the quality of software coding skills and the creation of a larger UK talent pool, the microbit will play an invaluable role in helping us recruit tomorrow's programmers onto our apprenticeship schemes.
We're really excited to be part of the Microbit project here at Tinder Foundation.
We think it will have a real impact on supporting children to learn to code, and we're hoping to bring that impact to parents and families as well through our local network of centres.
The microbit is a great tool for students to be able to learn about coding and electronics. For Kitronic, it's all about the resources to go with the microbit, so using it with conductive thread with additional electronic components and really getting the most out of the microbit.
This represents the future of education as we know it. And our organisation, My Mini Factory, is going to be bringing a massive open source design community and all things 3D printing.
Across the country we have 30,000 volunteers, many of whom have a background in technology. So they will be going into classrooms and really bringing the microbit to life for teachers and young people. They'll also be making technology careers a reality for the young people and also for the teachers.
Microbit is a great way for anyone to start something new and creative, and what we want to bring to it is we want to get it to every single kid in Northern Ireland as best we can.
It's about rekindling what happened first time around the BBC did, the Computing for Schools programme I was part of, learning on the other side, and this way around I want to help teach children to learn to code in fun and interesting ways.